Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find fonts and format text in Canva, whether you're designing for personal projects or professional work. Customizing text can take your designs to the next level. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and click on the text box you want to edit. Selecting the text is important because it brings up all the editing tools you'll need. Next, look at the top toolbar. You'll see the current font name displayed. Click on it, and Canva will open a drop-down menu with hundreds of fonts to choose from. You'll also get live previews so you can see how each one looks before deciding. Take a moment to scroll through the list and try out different fonts. Canva's library covers everything, from bold and modern to elegant and subtle. Test a few until you find the one that matches your creative vision. Right next to the font selector, you'll see more formatting options. Here, you can adjust font size, color, alignment, and even text spacing or line height. These settings help refine your layout so everything looks balanced. For cohesive designs, try using the same fonts across your projects. You can note down the font name, or if you have Canva's brand kit, save it there for quick access later. Mastering fonts and formatting gives your work a professional look and helps communicate your message clearly. A well-chosen font can make your design stand out and feel more polished. And that's it. You now know how to find fonts and format text in Canva. With just a few clicks, you can personalize any design and make it visually compelling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore our other Canva tutorials for more creative tips.